In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. The chart of accounts is one of the most important parts of your bookkeeping setup because it organizes all the categories QuickBooks uses to track your business finances. This includes things like bank accounts, assets, expenses, and income. Setting it up properly helps keep your reports accurate and makes day-to-day bookkeeping much easier. To get started, open your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look for the gear icon, which gives you access to key settings and lists. You can also get there by going to Accounting from the main menu, depending on the version of QuickBooks you're using. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts currently in your file, so you can review what already exists before adding anything new. When you're ready to create a new account, click the New button, or New Account if that's what your screen shows. QuickBooks will then open a form where you'll enter the details for the account you want to add. First, choose the account type. This is the broad category the account belongs to, such as bank, asset, expense, or income. Selecting the right type is important because it determines how QuickBooks treats that account in your reports and transactions. Next, choose the detail type. This gives QuickBooks a more specific description of what the account is tracking. Think of this as a way to further classify the account so your records stay organized. After that, enter a clear and recognizable name for the account. Use a name that makes sense to you and anyone else who may work in the books later. Clear naming helps avoid confusion and makes it easier to find the account when entering transactions. If the account is a balance sheet item, enter the opening balance and then select the correct starting date in the As of field. This step is especially important when you're adding existing accounts to QuickBooks because it helps ensure your financial position begins accurately in the system. Be careful with opening balances since incorrect amounts or dates can affect your reports. Once everything looks right, click Save or Save and Close if you're finished and want to return to the Chart of Accounts list. Your new account will then appear in the list and be ready to use. That's how to set up the Chart of Accounts in QuickBooks. Take your time when creating accounts, keep your naming consistent, and make sure each account is classified correctly so your bookkeeping stays clean and reliable.